Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 settings reset after every match. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Steam. Right click on the Black Ops 6 and select properties. You just need to disable this option guys, Steam Cloud. Keep games save in the Steam Cloud for Black Ops 6. You just need to turn it off. And after that just close stuff here. If you are using another platform like battle.net, check if it has a similar option and disable it temporarily. Now you just need to go to search menu and type install apps. Click on open it. You just need to go to search menu and type OneDrive. Click on the three dot icon next to the Microsoft OneDrive and select uninstall. Select uninstall. Select yes and uninstall. After getting uninstalled done, you just need to close stuff here and launch the Black Ops 6 and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the Black Ops 6 and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, outdated or corrupted graphics driver can cause issues with saving in-game settings. Ensure your graphics card driver are up to date. For NVIDIA users, you can use the GeForce Experience to update the driver. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.